Hey guys, welcome to the Frag Loadout. This is a series in the channel where we give reviews about some tech equipments that we use. And for today, I will be reviewing the keyboard that I am currently using, the Redragon Kumara RGB. The Kumara is a TKL mechanical keyboard. TKL standing for 10 keyless, which means no numpad. This could be good for quite a few reasons. One of them is that if you have a limited desk space like me, and you prefer your sensitivity in games to be a bit low, you could really use that extra space. Believe me. The Kumara has a very minimalistic and simple design that looks very clean. The keyboard is made of plastic, but it is very durable. This keyboard does not flex at all. The texture of the keys themselves is very smooth with a matte finish, so it's not that slippery. Personally though, I would prefer a more simple font choice rather than the gaming themed ones that this have, but it's not that bad. The LED lights illuminate the characters pretty well, though the brightness is not that great. Traversing now through the keyboard, we have on the function keys the secondary functions when you press the FN button of the keyboard. We have here the media buttons and some functions that will open up your email or calculator and whatnot. Now on here is the buttons that will let you control the LEDs on the keyboard, but more on that later. Underneath the keyboard, it does look rather simple. No cable pass-throughs are present, but this keyboard does have rubber feet on 4 corners. And one of the things that I like on this keyboard is the retractable feet. They snap into position and really stay there even when you move the keyboard. They don't snap back to their original position. And it does have rubber at the bottom, so don't expect this keyboard to move on you while you're using it. The cable is just a simple non-braided one. It's fairly thick though, so it seems to be in good quality. No USB pass-through also, so this keyboard only requires one USB slot. Now let's talk about the switches. The keycaps here, by the way, are removed using the keycap puller, which is included in the box. Okay, now, this keyboard has the Otemu Blue switches. These switches are like Cherry MX Blue clones, which means they aim to be like the MX Blue, which is tactile and clicky. And surprisingly enough, they feel very good, especially for typing. I'd say feel-wise, they do feel very close to the Cherry MX, but of course, in terms of durability, we'll have to see about that. And on that note, here is a sound test of the keyboard. Alright, now to show you how to control the LED effects. This keyboard does not come with the software, so you have to configure the LEDs only through the keyboard. All of this functions when you hold the FN button. The up and down keys controls the brightness. The left key toggles the direction of the LED animations. The right key cycles through different colors. The first one is always the RGB mode. These two controls the speed of the effect. This 1 to 6 contains the LED effects. Each number contains 2 or 3 effects. Just keep pressing the same number to cycle through them. I'm gonna show you some of those effects now. And that's it for my review of the Redragon Kumara. This keyboard is pretty great for those people in a budget and would not want to break the bank in order to have a decent mechanical keyboard that has all the necessary features you would want, as well as RGB backlighting. I mean, this keyboard costs like $60 US, and for my friends here in the Philippines, nabili ko tong keyboard na to for around 2,400 pesos, which is fairly cheap compared to other mechanical keyboards out there. I've been using this keyboard for about 2 months already, and so far, I have no complaints. Please leave a comment down below what you think about this keyboard or this review, and leave a like if you did. This is Big Boss from the Frag Parade, and I'll see you in the next one.